Okay, here's another example. I know angle 42, and I know here's my hypotenuse. I said I wasn't going to circle that because that's what we're doing for hypotenuse. So I know this angle, I know the hypotenuse, and I know the side adjacent. So I know A and H, and that goes with ka. So cosine of 42 equals adjacent over hypotenuse. So I'm going to bring that over here and solve. Cosine of 42 degrees equals adjacent over hypotenuse. So that's going to be 58 times the cosine of 42 degrees equals x. Remember, that's over 1, and I'm simply cross multiplying. So 58 times that, and x times 1. So this just has to be put into the calculator, and we put it in as 58 cosine 42 equals 43.10. So, the idea behind all of this is, notice we don't have a 30, 60, 90 or a 45, 45, 90. So we don't have patterns for this. Our patterns are the sides opposite, the hypotenuse, the adjacent, and using the sine, cosine, and tangent. So it's still pretty much just about patterns. What pattern do you know? 24. Here's my angle. Here's my hypotenuse. And I know the side adjacent. So I know adjacent, hypotenuse, that's cosine. So cosine of my angle, which is 26, equals adjacent, which is 74 over hypotenuse. So when your x is on the bottom, you're going to end up dividing. Oops, that's 26. If x is on top, you're just going to be multiplying. So 74 divided by cosine 26, and that's 82.33. So x equals 82.33. Sorry, I'm just not doing well videotaping tonight. Number 25. We know here's the angle. We know opposite, and we know adjacent. So opposite and adjacent goes with TOA. So that's tan of my angle equals opposite, which is 129, over adjacent, which is x. So cross multiply, divide, so 129 divided by tangent of 31 is 214.69.